Let me show you how you can reduce motion on the iPhone. Let's get started. If this is your first time here on this Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything important. Now, of course, you can open up your settings app where you can proceed to the accessibility section indicated by this blue icon with a person on it. And then we literally have a whole menu for just the motion. So literally the first thing at the top is the reduce motion. You can enable it and it's going to be reflected in multiple different areas. For example, the most noticeable one is when you return back to the home screen, we no longer have the animation playing, but instead we have this fade transition which is happening. And the same thing when you open up the apps, it also just gets here this way. And yeah, there are also more things where it applies. It also reduces the animation in other places, or you can as well just play with more options below. So you can see that if you have the iPhone with a higher refresh rate, you can also limit the frame rate in here, or you can not play the animated images, video previews, or message effect automatically, so you can control it all in here. So I really hope that you managed to find what you needed. I really hope that I could help you out with that. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think below, but most definitely subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and more videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.